how to download apps from Google Chrome in iPhone. So if you want to install apps from Chrome in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings application. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of passwords. You need to search for passwords or just simply go with the applications right here and then search for password. Once you have the password application, you need to tap on it and then you will find an option of autofill passwords. You need to just simply go and toggle on the option of autofill passwords. Once you do that, you can go back and then again open up your settings. Now you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of screen time. Tap on screen time. Go with content and privacy restrictions. Once you're on your content and privacy restrictions, you need to go and select the iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you can easily find the don't require option. You need to make sure that it is selected as don't require, and then you need to go back and close your settings. Now you have to simply open up your Google or your browser and search for, like for example, I'll just simply go with the search and search for Temple Run 2. Once you've searched, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find the App Store link right here. You need to just simply tap on that link. Now go with get right here. And then it might ask you for the face lock. You need to just double press your power key to enable your face lock or to confirm. Once you do that, it will start the installation process. Just wait for a few seconds and that's it. The application will be downloaded. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.